Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Stinger battery. First, gather all necessary tools like a wrench, battery terminal cleaner, and a new battery. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective gloves and eye protection. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin any work. This ensures a safe environment for the entire process. Now let's locate the battery, which is typically found in the trunk of your Kia Stinger. Using your wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent electrical shorts. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. After that, carefully remove any hold-down clamps or brackets that secure the battery in its tray.
If you are finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It can play your favorite tunes while you work on your car or even help you with instructions. Check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
With the terminals disconnected and clamps removed, carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Be aware that car batteries are quite heavy. Take this opportunity to thoroughly clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors. Now, gently lower your new battery into the clean tray, ensuring it sits securely and correctly. It's time to connect the new battery. Start by connecting the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Make sure all terminal connections are tightened firmly to ensure good electrical contact and prevent any loosening from vibrations. Finally, reinstall any hold-down clamps, brackets, or covers that you removed earlier to secure the battery in place.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.